Broadcast Service.
Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko
ng bagong Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon na guugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko, ang boses ng Pangulo. Sa Iloilo, Radyo Pilipinas, 585 AM.
Welcome back once again to your favorite edition of the Low ECU.
So, time check, it's 3:06 p.m. and good afternoon everyone and welcome to our radio program, Study Break. So, Sir Jeb, daw nami aton nga subong nga segment subong aton edisyon because we will have the Love Month special episode.
Yeah, and for this week in collaboration with our Student Republic here at Iloilo City Campus, we will have a special episode for this Love Month. Two parts in atong episode, and first is the Secret Love Notes and the Airwaves edition of today's Hot Seat.
Yes, for the Secret Love Notes, we will read your messages to your crush, family, friend, or special someone, including your, for example, butang talang requested song nyo. But we will make it as a background na lang to save time actually. And for today's hot seat, we've invited special guests. We'll ask them meaningful questions about love, relationships, commitment, communication, and personal growth. So, mga lessons nila learn from their experiences.
So sit back and relax, and we'll come back after this short break.
Alas 3 na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ECU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ECU!
Dili lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ECU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tugtog alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tugtog Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes ukod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovette Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ECU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala. Magpamati na para hindi ka maulhi sa Study Break. Ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, Tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa ang magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-laing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sa diin ng ECU may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa ka Biyernes, kanta si Miss Gida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
Stay informed
inspired.
and connected.
Nabudlayan ka bala mangita ang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sang Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahapta sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag mangita lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292.
So, welcome back to our radio program, Study Break. Before we start our first segment, which is Secret Love Notes, the Airwaves edition, upod natin subong aton special host, aton representative from our Iloilo City Student Republic. So, partner, pwede mo pakilala mo kagalingon?
So, mayong hapon sa tanan. Ako gali si Ralph Jonastorias from the Student Republic Iloilo City Campus as Senator and handling the Department of Justice. So, thank you so much, partner, for inviting me here today.
Welcome. Thank you gid pag-accept mo sa amon invitation to join us. So, excited ka na bala para sa aton nga segment?
Yes, partner. Super excited ako, partner, because during my SSG days way back when I was high school and senior high school, may amo na kami sininga program sa amon nga school. So, it's not new to me. So, our segment today, partner, is Secret Love Notes, the Airwaves edition that will give us a chance sa aton nga viewers, kag listeners, para maka-shoutout sa ilang nga crush, or maybe a soft confession, partner, or their unsent messages, partner.
May hara ikaw bala unsent messages, Jess?
Wala, partner. Dugin send ko na to
Okay,
actually.
very good. Yung
Send ko
nagpauna ka na
partner.
before Valentine's
Yes.
ba? So, hindi na pagpadugayon, partner. Let us start our first segment. Let us read the first message from our sender.
Yes, partner. So, ari ato yung first message,
Message.
partner, nga hambalya ay, Hi sa isa dyan sa BS Bio 1A. I know that minsan paawat naman, pero sometimes I just want you to know you again. I miss when we used to talk. Gawander ako, what if we never stopped? I know I dug down grave before, and I know I can't get back the time that is lost. But I just want you to talk you again, even if just a friend's. Even if I wanted more before, right now, all I want is to hear your voice again, hear that laugh, see that smile once more. I know that I expect too much. I choose this song because it weaponizes expectation. It mourns the things that didn't happen. It shows that maybe sometimes it's best not to think too much into the future. Even if you loved fully, that's not a mistake. Love didn't fail because it wasn't real. It failed because it ended. The loss is the aftermath. The plans isn't that the one who stays, but the one who takes the future with them when they leave. And you were that for me. I know that kahit paawat naman, I still miss what we were and what we could have been. I know that it's too late now, but still be here, supporting you silently, and thank you so much for everything. I'll miss us, but I won't beg for a second chance. Goodbye, love of my life.
Grabe nga, love of my life. Dito kadalom sa aton nga first message ba? So,
Partner.
BS Bio 1A. Ang imo dedicated song for your special someone is Love of My Life by Taylor Swift. So partner, anong kung ikaw magbasa, kung pisay mo pag-insindi, anong nabatyagan mo? Anong gusto niya ipabatsyag?
So, ang mahambal ko ng ginagawa pala, partner, is some love stories don't end with forever. They end with acceptance, and sometimes the bravest kind of love is the one who that lets go quietly and without begging, without bitterness, only gratitude,
So,
partner.
kanami, isang paghampal mo, partner, no? Relationship that ends without begging, without bitterness, and just gratitude. So, makita mo ang pag-insindi niya sa ila sitwasyon, maybe may wala kami na ba nga natabo, but still, there is in-depth of realization that he or she has to let go.
Yes, partner. Nga daw, feeling nga siguro daw wala na gid siya siguro nag-grow as a person. Nga daw, ma-let go ka na lang gid lang para ma-grow man sila nga duwa, partner. Ikaw, partner, na-experience mo naman na pala,
Mano-comment lang ko si nanay.
partner.
Anyway, mas kita mo iya nga sense of maturity.
Yes,
So,
partner.
now let's go to our second message. So, our second message was sent by Apollo. According to him, it was during my first year when my classmate caught my attention. Surely, yes, I liked her. As time went by, I continued talking to her and chatting with her. And eventually, we got to know on each other better. But in the end, things didn't turn out well. She told me she wasn't ready yet and wanted to focus on her studies. That confession hurt me to the point where I felt like I had wasted my time. Now, we are still classmates and have become friends. And somehow, my feelings are slowly fading. I hope you achieve your dreams. I'm still here supporting you. So, Apollo, unfortunately, wala ikaw nagbutang sa imong suggested song. But we've chosen for you Heather by Conan Gray. So, it shows that mutang tabi, multo ng pag-ibig naman, no? Even though na-hurt ikaw sa pag-reject niya sa confession mo, still you were there for her and you are continuing to support her to achieve her dreams, especially in her studies.
Yes, agree with that, partner. Because not all confessions lead to relationships. With your partner, some lead to growth, partner.
Really. So, ikaw be, may nakita kang mga instance na natabo sa, not in your personal experience, or na rather sa imo nga natabo, but from your friends or family members or in your circle, may nakagi na nitabo ba sa iyo?
Sa akong experience, partner, naagyan ko man yung partner. So, pareho, guro kami ni Apollo nga risk taker, guro, partner. No? At least, bala-balaan, tabala kung diin kita ma-stop kag magdiretso. Kaya at least, balaan ta kung diin kita ma-continue kung mabalaan lang ako may palakatuan kung wala partner, di ba? At least, wala yan na waste ng iyang time.
So, what do you think, be? Is it okay for you to confess your feelings even though ma-reject ka or hindi?
It's okay, partner. At least you risk.
Diba? Kanami isang hambal. So, sa mga taga-palamati, tada, kag sa galantaw sa atong Facebook Live, take the risk. Let them know how you feel. Sometimes,
You really need to take a risk or lose the chance, diba?
Diba la? So, mamba mo na ano gani nang ila ginakambal nga if you won't take the risk, you wouldn't know what will happen.
Yes, partner. Agree with that, partner. So, let's proceed to our third
Message.
message, partner. So, ari ang balya, partner. So, hi, Guaps nga first year BS Bio. Crush tagid ka kay kanami sa imo magsaot and lain-lain pang colors ang buhok mo every month. Ka-cute kidya sa imo, especially if naka-lab gown ka sa story mo.
Wow.
So, every time makita ta ka nga imaw ang friends mo, imo gid nga smile kag kadlaw ang stand out. So, hoping I will be able to confess you personally in the future. And I've been wanting you to tell this. I just can't cause I'm a coward. So, I'll just leave it here. Please leave if you still think of someone else even when I'm still here. So your eyes are so pretty, yet it wanders on someone else and it hurts so bad. So please leave because I don't wanna do things that will make me regret soon. Stop lying and be honest with me unless you wanna get caught. Haha, you're hurting me. Grabe, partner. Nagkakasakitan siya yung partner. So, happy Hearts Day to you and that someone. Stay safe and stay healthy always. Grabe.
Hanggang sa tingin na lang?
Yes, partner. Though, kasakit mo na yung partner nga tulukon mo sa nga if may aragin man siya nga someone else do imo guro heart do nagakatunaw, partner.
Ara ka sa points ng life mo nga gusto mo magselos pero wala ka right to magselos kaya hindi ka mo.
Yes,
You're just someone looking afar. Di ba lang?
Sakit kasi na yung partner.
Daw nakagi kagit sa mga mo niya.
Next question, partner.
Basta ang mga next guest ni later on ang Manila, mga feelings before bala naging sila sa mga sa ilang relationship or sa mga boyfriend or girlfriend nila.
Yes, partner.
So this messages actually was let me just inform everyone watching and listening. gin post in isang amon nga sang aton nga Student Republic, and we filtered the messages para mapahatag sa inyo ang mga real life feelings ng aton nga mga senders. So up next, ang aton naman basahon is mga short messages from our senders, and sa aton nga second segment, mapagwa kita sa aton hot seat, which is handled by my co-host, or Sir Jeff. So sit back and relax, and we will come back after this short break.
Alas tres na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ECFU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ECFU!
Dili lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ECFU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tugtog alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tugtog Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes upod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ECFU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na para hindi ka maulhisa. Study Break, ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-laing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sabihin ng ECFU may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa ka Biyernes, kanta si Miss Gida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
stay informed
inspired.
And connected.
Welcome back to Study Break. Time check, it's 3:22 p.m. So now, partner, we're going to read our short messages from our senders. So to start, can you please read the first message?
Yes, partner. Thank you for that, partner. So, ari ato yung short messages, partner, naging send sa ato, no? So, to my dearest friend, I want to say sorry for having feelings for you that you never expected. It was not my intention to hurt you. It's all my fault. I know that we just should be friends and stay friends. I am sorry. I respect and value your decision and to make distance from me. Take care now.
Gabi, no? Short message pero ang sulod bala, it's
Grabe kadalong,
kadalong, no?
partner.
May araga mo na nga batang ina naton, so nag-risk siya but still amuni ang nagwa. But para sa imo, para sa pag-intindi mo, partner, it's better to take a risk, di ba la?
Yes, partner. Kag kita tao man ta, partner, no? Nga makabuo man kita sang feelings, partner, especially kung may dumi attachment issues ikaw, partner. Nato ilog wala sa akon, partner. Dumi attachment issues, partner, no?
Pero hindi tama likawan, sometimes we fall in love to those unexpected persons, di
Yes,
ba la?
partner. The only thing that you could do is to love them in silent way na nga,
Yes,
partner.
that's
Nasuportaran na lang sila kung anong ilang ubrahon kag desisyon sa ilang inahimo.
Yes, that's correct. So speaking of love, ang aton nga second message is this is not let me just read. So I hope you'll accept this message. This message is not for a boyfriend, a girlfriend, or a friend. This message is more my teacher in our subject this semester. I'm shy to message her. I just want to thank her for having her as a professor. I hope she knows that she's so special to me, that I'm so thankful and super lucky to have her. Because for me, she's the very best professor I had in my 3 years as a college student here in ECU. She's close to my heart. Ma'am M, thank you so much for everything you've done for us, and we're lucky to have you. So, di ba, partner, it just shows that there's different kinds of love.
Yes, partner. Nga ang Valentine's hindi lang para sa magmiguhay kag miguha.
Migahay.
Partner.
It doesn't mean when you celebrate Valentine's, it's just for someone with a relationship.
Yes.
It's either you celebrate it with your friends, your family, even pets, di ba la?
Yes,
Di ba la?
partner. Correct yung partner. So, ma-shout out mo siguro partner
Go!
sa amon nga advisor
Go!
nga si Sir Abrian Casella.
Wow, sir.
Sir, ang muna amon nga advisor, sir nga grabe ang iyang patience sa amon. Kaga very cute kun sa partner.
Sir daw, dako-dako, ni balaydan mo sila, sir ha?
partner.
Daw laban-laban, may pamahaw, ginis lago, pagbalik na nila sa office, no?
Correct yun, sir.
So, partner, to continue, let us read our third message.
Yes, so ari aton nga third message, partner. So, hi, want to relay this message to Mayora Aimee of ADT3A to continue to inspire others despite being criticized. You are a talented photojourn and a great leader. Don't believe rumors that's spreading about you.
Okay, di ba na?
Yes, partner. As a student leader, partner, hindi tagi dyan malikawan ang mga amusina nga mga puro istorya, partner. As long as ga-serve ikaw.
Yes.
Nga,
As long as you're, wala ka may ginatapakan nga tao.
Yes, partner.
And your heart and mind are in one for the service in the university.
yes,
di ba?
partner. Kaya kung if they talk to you, it means you matter, partner. Di ba? Ang the only thing I could say to you, Aimee, shine lang, Aimee. Continue nga mag-serve ikaw sa imo nga mga students, mga peers, or ano pa daw.
Be a great leader, actually.
Yes, partner.
So, next, we're going to the second to the last na. This is from Anonymous, so hindi ko siya manugid. So, I've been happily crushing on this guy for over 3 years now. And honestly, even I can't believe it. It's just a sweet, harmless crush, and I wanted to share it here. What should I do? Should I confess or not?
Partner, the only thing that I can say that is ma-confess kasi yung partner. Kaya wala tayo kabalo, partner, sang possibilities, partner, di ba? Kung i-decline ikaw dira sang imo nga crush, okay lang. Pangita naman, partner, sang bago nga crush. Kaya diri sa isang partner, do kadamo man sa aton yung mga gwapo. Diri kang mga gwapa, partner, di ba
Oh, di ba lang, ambal mo, ikaw nagambal, gwapo ka, gwapahan ako. But anyway, as per advice from my co-host here, kaginaya pa ni Gali paliwat-liwat actually, it's, if you should take a risk,
Yes.
di ba la? You should let them know how you feel, but still, ara na sa imo ang decision, we cannot push you to that, but we are just here to advise you, di ba la, partner?
Yes, partner. Kag sakto ginaya nga i-risk mo or i-lose mo ang chance. What if dabi partner nga?
So what
type
if
naman
kita
kasi
na,
na
no?
partner, di ba la?
So what if gito ya dapat na
Yes,
emphasize, no?
partner.
So, our last message, partner?
Yeah, so our last message here is, I'm the one here. Why are you looking for someone else?
Wow.
So I should be the one who does that for you. I should be the one who makes you happy. I should be your support when you have problems and you cry.
Ay, naman
And
kita.
anonymous ni partner, do hindi man siya partner, magpanugi siya partner.
So, amo na ganyan balta pas kagina sa atong letter sender. Ano nang gid siya, you're just looking afar lang, di ba?
Yes, partner. Kag hindi taman guro mapilit ang tao nga pilion ka di ba, partner?
diba? Tsakto na.
Kay bisan ikaw pa ang ready maghatag sang tanan, remember, love is chosen, not begged for.
Teka nami lang isang partner ko subong nga may mga quotes siya yung ginadala
Partner,
for
mga
love.
pahugot kita
And
yung partner.
it is true. Love should not be begged for, di ba la? It is
Inakusa
given
na,
to yukusa siya, di ba
Yes,
la?
partner. Kaya kung ginapilit siya lang, hindi na siya partner, love partner.
Di ba la?
Correct, partner.
So partner, may ara ikaw bala gusto nga pabalo sa hindi ang banda gani naton, there are different kinds of love. So may gusto kay bala pabalo sa mga inog shoutout mo or
Yeah,
sa
so-
mga specific persons.
So
mga-
sa yes, partner, thank you. So sa aton nga tig palamati da subong sa this upcoming February 14,
Yes,
February 14 Valentine's Day. So ang February 14 wala ta na gina-celebrate sa aton nga mga amigo kag miga.
Yes.
Pwede ta man ni siya i-celebrate with our family
Yeah, correct,
nga
correct.
you know, mag-celebrate sa aton nga gratitude with them. Nga ma-feel love, taman bala? Kay love tang family ta. Kung hindi, kung wala man family, friends, di ba
Yes.
partner? Kung kita nga kami nga mga estudyante nga naga-stay sa city, kay naga-school, kay amon family dira sa province. So, ma-celebrate ng guro kami with friends. Kag sa amon nga mga tulunan, partner.
Amo ginang problema sa mga estudyante subong mga tulunan, mga lalagson, especially deadlines subong.
Yes, partner.
So, just to add to that, partner, hindi lang family and friends, we also have self-love. We need to love ourselves, di ba?
Yes. Amo na ang greater love, partner, nga mahatag na sa tanan mo, self-love, partner.
So, before we officially end, partner, may gusto ka bala ipabalo sa family mo to show them how you love them, or sa friends, or again, to your special someone?
Yeah, so actually, ang ako niya pamilya, partner, wala ka balong ari na pati sa radyo.
Ate, sikat ka na karon.
Yes, partner. So, shout out sa ako niya Iloy, nga si Maricar Chong, kag ako niya Amay, nga si Godofredo Chong.
Hello, ma'am and sirs. So, partner, ako go, ma-shoutout na ba lang ko. So,
Yes, partner.
to my beloved wife, happy Valentine's, Mrs. Roda Maria Baradas. See you later. So,
Wow, sana all, partner.
syempre, kinandantaman mo.
Kulik, partner.
So, again, partner, thank you for accepting our invitation for
Yes,
today.
no worries, partner. Nag-enjoy ko, partner, nga ari ko di subong. Kag salamat sa Radyo Pilipinas,
Yes.
partner.
Basta next time you are available, pwede ka ka-join sa Amuliwat.
Wala gid siya problema, partner.
That's
Aral
good
ako
to
na,
hear.
partner,
That's
sa
good to hear. So, thank you once again, partner. Time check, it's 3:31 p.m. And when we come back, we'll come sa aton second segment, which is today's hot seat. Stay tuned.
Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na!
Alas tres na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ECFU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ECFU!
Dili lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ISATU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tugtog alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tugtog Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes upod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ISATU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Break, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na para hindi ka maulhisa. Study Break, ginadulong sa inyo ni Greha Baradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, Tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-laing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sabihin ng ISATU may global collaboration sa international advancements. Kag sa Tagsa ka Bernes, kanta si Miss Dida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
stay informed
inspired.
And connected.
Napudlayan ka bala mangita ang sang venue para sa inyo event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sang venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sang Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag pangitaan lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292.
Okay, we're back, and Philippine Standard Time, it's 3:33 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yes, we're back sa liwat maayong hapon sa
Maayong
tanan.
hapon.
Good afternoon, partner.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
This is Wendy Sarmaca from the Student Republic, a senator handling the Department of Health.
And today, hindi lang kita magtuon. We're here to feel something, you know?
Ay hala, may pa-feelings gali kita subong partner. Pero amugid na no kay Valentine's edition subong.
Yeah, from stories nga ginpadala anonymously subong, we're here hearing it straight from the source.
Yes, and this is Study Break, today's hot seat, live here and hello, ESATU.
Yeah, sa mga gapamati subong, kabalo kami nga may nakilig, may nasadyahan, may nasubuan, kag may araman nga mga nga naggagayuhom samtang ginapamatian ng aton confessions kag love messages on air.
Yes, and honestly, partners san kita sa studio no gakilig gid because it takes courage gid to of course write and express your feelings.
Yeah, pero mas dako ang courage ang ipakita sang aton subong nga guest. Kay this time,
Yes, kay this time wala na sang anonymous,
real people
real stories.
and real answers. And welcome to the hot seat. So let's welcome our guest no for today. Thank you Gid for being here. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sen. Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
sir.
Yes, please introduce yourself.
So, good afternoon sa tanan. My name is Maria Hazen Cantala. I am 22 years old and I'm currently studying here in EZU, taking Bachelor of Arts in English Language course.
Yes, and partner ha, quick
Yeah.
reminder na wala ni sang script. Of course,
Yeah.
wala ni sang rehearsal. Ang sabat nila, raw, honest, and of
Yeah.
course, spontaneous.
Yeah, kung may ma-reveal man da nga shocking, hindi naman accountable. Okay?
Yeah, so ready na ba lang aton guys?
Yes,
To answer some
ready na.
questions? Okay. So of course, no, kay Valentine's subong, ma-feel ginaton nga love is in the air. Makita ginaton ng mga hearts na, may mga flowers na. Makita man natin si Cupid, tama?
Yes.
So ikaw, no, anong status mo subong? Like status ng tagipusoon mo? Single ka bala, taken, something in between?
I'm in a relationship right now.
Wow.
Partner in a relationship siya, yeah.
Grabe.
na lang.
Sana all.
So, ano na kamo kadugay? Pila na kamo katuig?
6 years this coming May 18. 6 years na.
Oh, malawig-lawig ba?
Oh my God, 6 years na. So, tell us something more about your love stories, man. Ano ang like first meeting ninyo? Nagkilalahay bala ka mo online? Or like reto, friends, classmates?
So, isa lang kami ka barangay actually. And kapira ko data na makita ang umpisa sang bata pagid naman sang mga 6 years old kita ko doon ta na permit tapos amoran ang umpisa sang nag-una ta na chat tapos nakilalahi kami naging friends hasta naging close dayon.
Wow.
So basically, childhood ka mo,
Yes.
childhood friends. Okay.
Friends to lovers, ang ilang
Yeah.
partner, gali. So, chat.
Yes,
din.
yes.
Yeah. Mamangkot-pakutan ni kung din silang kilala pero childhood friends galing sila. So, why na mangkot-mangkot kung din na. So, naka-build na kamo sang relationship pa. I mean, from childhood friends pero of course, di pa kamo na
Oo.
in the sa journey nyo, hindi pa ka muna ka-close
Yes.
mga part of course sang subong
Nagalabay-labay lang sa balay.
Oo.
Sa muna.
Bali amat-amat ang pag-build
Yes.
ng
Yeah.
Yes.
sa feelings naman.
Yes.
So, of course, no, kayo daw, pag minigil na pamangkot na ang partner, no, ano ang imo love language?
Ang akin, acts of service, kag I really love giving gifts to the people I love. Pero I don't know lang ka na.
dapat mabalaan mo.
Oo.
I think physical touch.
Physical touch.
So,
Usually, labang yun sa mga lucky physical touch.
yes. So, ikaw partner, no, ano imo love language? Familiar ka ba sina? May act of service, giving of gifts?
Sa akin siguro, mga act of service, then quality time, then physical touch. Kisa gift, of course.
Of
Kaya mga, mga girls, mga bahay, mahilig di ba sa gifts?
Yes, of
Hindi
course.
magitanan, of course.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. Then sa, siguro, sa quality time, of course. As a girl,
Yes,
hindi need quality time, hindi need affection, right? So, need mo yata. You need to provide. And, of course, with love. Kung ginatag mo lang as obligation, then naging job lang sa doon, naging, do routine.
Yeah, sakto gina partner no. So speaking of quality time, like nagasunggod-sunggod bala sa inyo kung wala time si Amoni, wala time sa Amona, wala
If-
sang time mag-date.
If valid ang reason, syempre intindihon. Pero kung may mga bagay lang man nga way pulos, amuran lang kisagi na sunggudan. Nga way bala lisensya, and I think amuran ang red flag ka na kung gapano nga way ga lisensya.
Oh yes, may red
laban-laban
flags na
yun.
sila.
Michael Cynthia, tinato, ano ka ga-worry ka mo,
Yes.
matabo, di ba? Yeah. Ano pag ang green flag? Because usual,
Yes.
mga away ang red flag, ang mga wala gambal, ganakap dayon. Ano yan naman sa opposite sa green flag? Anong nakita mo siya nga green flag?
Ang kamaan ta na mag-accept kang sala na. Ginaako na ang sala na, kag kamaan mag-sorry kung man anang ana sala.
So, super humble, you know?
Yes.
Dapat namugyan na sa mga lalaki. Not speaking as sa gender, pero usual na dapat maging humble. Even though sa bahay man or sa partner mo, dapat maging humble ka.
Maging under
Regardless.
sila, sir. Understanding. Of course, understanding. So speaking of course, no, ang love and relationship, it is not always rainbows and unicorns. May mga away gina, sanggudanay. So paano nyo na-handle ang mga situation?
So, kaginan kami nga gamayan, dalang gid kami magbalaganay. But then, nagsorry ta na kag nagngayo pasensya. At tapos, naghambal nga mabawi ta na. Then, after that, nagbawi gid man.
Oo.
Kung ano, mga kakulangan, naging ako na kag nagbawi ta na. Nga, hindi na doon paghimuon kung ano ang ginakalain ko, but ko ka na.
So, sa struggle phase, yung muna struggle, no? What they call that? Ang gauna, gid ang lalaki magpangita.
Yes, dapat.
Magpangita, way, effort, no? Para magpangayop siya, magbalikan ka mo. And for another naman siyang love na nagbunga.
Yes, and of course, no, may mga moments bala or like, anong isa ka moment nga, doon na feel mo nga, siya na gid. He's the one, bala.
First ko gid nga na ano ka na ang the way na ko tratuhon nga kaya na ko ipakigbato sa mga friends na kaya na ko ipakigbato sa pamilya na if ngay karan kung hindi ko gusto kang friends na do kaya na ihambalan nga pabayita na kay hindi man kamo ga palangga ka nang ngay karan.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Of course.
Though may saying, kita mo, it's you or against the world.
Yes.
No? Diba? Grabe, no? Like, every partner needs to understand that concept or that phase sa life, sa relationship, no? Nga, dapat ang imong number one ally, ang imong partner.
Yes.
Imong number one nga co-o, kaduet mo, imong partner, hindi ang friends mo, hindi ang family mo, kay in the long run, sa life sa inyong pag-adult na partner mo gid upod mo.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes. Do daw experiences, sir ba? About sa love.
Di man.
Yes.
So, ano ang plano niyo subong sa Valentine's Day? Because it's Valentine's in February 14th, Valentine's Day. Ano niyo plano? Ano niyo grand gesture or any simple celebration or ano man?
Wala pa ko kamaan actually, pero last day sang after sang competition ko gintawan na doon ko bouquet, so enough na drums ka na agad celebrate.
Wow!
Oy,
Bouquet.
siya, no?
Bouquet of flowers.
Kasi pa-surprise siya sa Valentine's.
Anong flowers? Ang dried flowers or ang like
Fuzzy wires nga flowers.
Ooh.
Yes.
And of course, no, to end this interview, may short message ka bala sa iya.
Hi. If ever man makita mo dya. I don't know. Amoy na ko.
Sige lang.
Thank you, Gid, for the love and support sa pagtaon ko, sa sakripisyo mo para buligan ko sa pagtaon ko. And yes, advance happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Mansa. Thank you, sir.
Invitation.
Okay, it's Philippine Standard Time. It's 3:43 in the afternoon. So we'll be back later and ciao.
Attention, ISAT University graduating students. The ISAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now. Nabudlayan ka bala mangita ang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation na nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag pangitaan lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190, local 292.
Our time is 3:45 in the afternoon and we're back to study break. And sa sining hapon, kaupo natin subong ang isa ka estudyante sang ISAT-U to share now how Valentine's is for him and also to give us a peek into his love life.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon. So please introduce yourself first.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
Senator. So I am Jeff Tiken Selionar, from the Bachelor of Arts in English Language, third year college student. So,
And of course, no. So Valentine's subong tama. So
Yes.
spit na
Yeah.
lang. So gusto ginamon nga mabalaan kung anong status ng imo tagipasuon subong.
well,
Okay
right
na?
now, yeah, I am very fine and I'm single right now.
Single,
single.
siya, sir. Okay, same.
Okay, okay now.
Yeah.
So previous na itong naging interview
Yes.
is may
In
in relationship.
relationship.
So subong is single.
So pila ka naka years nga single?
Well, let's say that it's very complicated because I haven't been in a formal relationship. So let's say nga since birth na lang siguro.
Okay.
So situationship,
wala
amo na.
officially.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
So ikaw, sir, ha? Pwede kami kapamangkot, sir? Single wala si sir or in relationship na siya?
So right now, I'm taken now.
Sana.
Yeah.
Sana
hindi
all
ka.
good.
Sorry.
Study first.
Study first. This is study first. Okay. Sa aton nga pamangkotano, no, ang mamangkot ako and anong last time nga when was the last time nga nakilig ka?
Let's say nga, syempre have been in a multiple, MUs, mutual
MUs?
understandings, casual flings. Siguro, let's say, the very last nga madumduman ko siguro is, let's say, last 2 years.
Last 2 years, that was it's romantic
First year
kilig.
ka. Yes, romantic kilig. And first year ka that time?
I guess, yeah.
Yes. So, how you felt the kilig, no? Paano ka nakilig? The gestures gala, the face gala, na ano ka gid, na-attract ka gid sa iya? Like physical appearance?
And ang mikiligdaan nga gadugay even
Oo.
until now. So paano mo ma-describe pa?
Siguro one thing is that, of course, me myself actually nagaka-attractive gid kaya sa people nga talented. Like I actually admire people nga gasing ga-dance because I myself do that also. So siguro na-attractivean ko sa person nga amon na.
Yeah.
So, may crush ka bala subong or study first gid ya? Wala
Well,
kang gid sa...
I might say that right now wala ako crush.
Wow, wala
Yes.
siya pang
Wala
crush.
crush. So study first.
Study first, yeah.
Right now.
So, self-love ang aton topic gali sa bang partner. Na self-love
self-love
kita,
gid.
of course.
Pero
Acknowledge na.
aside from crush, Mia, hindi kita malikawan ang admiration. Pero
Of course, we can't really deny
Yeah.
that we have that people nga ginadmire tayo.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, sa first time mo nakita ang mga ang
Ina-admire mo.
ginadmire mo.
Yes.
wala, hindi tama pong gana mo. So, ano ang expression mo? Anong expression mo?
Of course, siguro ang una ko nga impression nga na-admire ko is that, of course, that person is, very appealing to my eyes. Nga hindi mo gud ma-deny nga ang fact nga syempre ma-mesmerize ka gid sa una mga tulok bala.
Yeah.
Amo na
Taga-diin. And of course.
siguro na lang nato na ibigay na lang sa
Yes. So, of course, gusto naman pamangkuton man, no? Of course, if you're looking for someone, anong imo nga love language?
Siguro ang love language nga I can give really is that, of course, gift giving.
Gift giving.
Because
Gusto ko gid na.
yeah. Kaya syempre, me myself, I'm a crafter. I am a very creative person.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
okay.
I give my all. I
Ginatag
can
mo yung effort mo, gid
yeah,
na.
I can
Yeah.
write you a song. I can write you a
wow.
poem. I can make you a portrait of yourself. And that's all. I can write you letters. And aside from that, I also love quality time. Syempre, what's more important or fulfilling nga ma-feel is to have, syempre, ang makaupod mo, ang special someone, di ba?
Yeah.
And the next is act of service. And when I say act of service, syempre, dapat kung love ta ang person, syempre, ginaalalayan ta
May
na
effort.
may effort.
Gid, yeah.
Kumbaga. So, pero for me, ang pinakalis nga hindi ko matag is the physical touch. Because I know myself na clingy ko with my friends. But the reason is, I respect boundaries.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, needed for
Ganun.
respect.
Yes.
In every relationship, need respect. Even
Yes.
boundaries, and even attitude, no, even in financial aspect, need you the respect.
Yes.
Yes.
Na. So, of course, na-mention mo ka ngina nga, damo ka MU. Tama. So, have you
Grabe
tried
naman sa damo.
confessing? Have you tried like confessing to someone? Of course, it takes courage kung you mag-confess.
Yes, of course, I did. Syempre, at the very first moment nga ginaplano ko siya, syempre, I'm hesitant mo. Syempre, ginakulbaan ka bala,
Yes, of course.
ma-confess ka sa person nga gina-admire mo, who wouldn't be, diba? Like,
So, through
nakulbaan.
chat, bala ina, long sweet message, bala, personal.
At the very first play, siguro, chat, then, nagkatag ko letter, ganun eh.
Oh, letter siya, old school.
Mas duma-effort kid ya kung like wala ka pa kaagi like way ka pa agi ex or or ka pa agi as in and ang no relationship before no.
Yes.
Do mas effort ka pa then amo na ganda gyud pagka-creative mo.
Yes, sir.
Oo.
So, of course, this Valentine's, of course, ang Valentine's hindi lang para sa mga couples, right?
Yes.
So, anong plano? Kaya, of course, weekend siya, pwede kita kalaga with friends, with family, with your pets, if may
Yes,
aga ka.
So, my plan this Valentine's siguro is to have a date with myself.
Oh, that's nice.
Kasi syempre, I have been through a lot. I mean, when it comes sa love challenges, ganon. Pero right now, I just want to have a moment with myself nga I'm recently into cafe hopping, beach hopping with myself. Kasi syempre, by that time, nga upod mo lang kagalingon mo. Syempre, dyan mo ma-feel nga, ay, okay. It's better, gali nga, to know yourself more so that you can give more man sa palanggaon mo sa sunod.
Okay, sakto gina partner, no? So, ikaw, anong plano mo, partner, sa Valentine's? Di ba in relationship siya eh? So, may
Okay.
plano gina siya.
Plano na mo. May UAT kami galing mo. So mabantay kami sa mga gako exam. So yeah, after siguro after night. So secret lang na
Secret. Okay.
So subong no ang imong plano subong is ang treat me myself
Of course.
sa
yes.
Valentine's Day. Of course, that is very wonderful and loving someone is first you need to love yourself.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, namigid siya. Then sa aton, anong may imo ma-advise sa mga singles out there trying to, court someone or having crush, no? Ano yung ma-advise?
Siguro, the one thing na ma-advise ko is, if someone is being kind to you, don't I mean, di mo siya don't expect too much. Because maybe that person is just being nice out of respect kay
Yeah.
as a basic human decency. And syempre, as a person nga ginahatagan ka mo, don't expect too much gid ya. And of course, with that person nga gahatag, like let's say mixed signals. This is to everybody, like ang gina-generalize ko siya. Siguro be clear with your motives and feelings, because dira pa lang apart. You don't want to hurt a person by just giving them a false hope. Doon mo lang na for me.
May pinaghuhugutan.
May
pa
hinuhugutan.
partner.
No.
May pinaghuhugutan siya.
Of
What
course,
about,
it's become your strength.
Yeah.
So, ang advice mo sa mga single students, no? Pareho sa ato.
Okay, so my advice with a single student, syempre, go out with yourself, do cafe hopping, beach hopping. Malay mo maka-experience ka ng what they call nga organic encounter.
Yes,
Diba?
organic encounter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, thank you, no? Thank you sa advice. Thank you sa being here, of course. And
Thank
thank
you
you
very
sa sharing your experience or your story as a single person. And thank you. And time check, it's 3:55 in the afternoon. And we'll be back.
Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na! Napudlayan ka bala mangita sang venue para sa inyo event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sang venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sang Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sang Student Services Building kag pangitaan lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292.
Welcome back to Study Break! So, Sir Jeff, di ba lang, kadami lang pamatian sa mga messages nila at sa mga experiences, no?
It's nice to be young.
Yeah, it's nice to be young. Gulang ka, diba? So, before we officially end, Sir Jeff, may plano ka bala sa Valentine's Subong?
May ara gani, di ba? Yan ba kung hina? Galing kayo may exam pa kami, so need na ito,
To,
mga proctor na
proctor.
Yes.
Okay. Sino?
Anong sinong?
Sino ang i-date mo sa 14 tani out?
Ang pinalangga pa na dahi.
Hindi mo ginamit lang ang ngalan, no?
Oh, that's, her name is Julia, you know?
Hi, Ma'am Jules from QAC. Jeff Tagala. So, thank you very much for watching and listening sa Amon Edition Subongs, our special episode for this Love Month. Sir Jeff?
And thank you for listening, everyone, at sa aton nga University President, Gabriel M. Salice Jr., to our ADCO officials, to our staff, then to our faculties, and to our ISATU students, and sa aton nga, PICO Director, si Sir Heinz B. Gumakil.
And also to our campus administrators and vice presidents. So, this is once again your host. I'm Gray.
And I'm Jeff.
And this is
Study Break.
See you soon.
Thank you.
ang inyong tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Ang Presidential Broadcast Service, Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko.